What if there was an on-field lab test for concussions? How could NFL history be changed? In January 2020, the Eagles met the Seahawks in a playoff game. In the first quarter, Eagles quarterback Carson Wentz goes back to pass. Finding nobody open, he is flushed out of the pocket. He is tackled by Jadeveon Clowney. Wentz goes off the field and enters into the concussion protocol. Present in the on-field concussion tent is a team's physician, a team's trainer, and a neurotrauma specialist. Wentz's pupils, speech, and coordination are checked. They ask him questions about his memory of the event and determine if he is dazed or confused. The medical team have his medical records, including concussion history, on a tablet. After a 30-minute exam, they conclude he has suffered a mild traumatic brain injury and he is not allowed to return. Josh McCown is the backup quarterback. At the age of 40, he is on his 11th NFL team. While he leads the team to 3 field goals, the Eagles lose 17-9. Today, there are no on-the-field blood tests for detecting traumatic brain injury. However, clinical researchers are developing new blood tests that could be used to rule out brain injury. A fingerstick blood sample can be collected within the concussion tent and tested with a portable point-of-care device. If a biomarker is reliably released into the circulation within an hour after a hit to the head, a negative result could be used to indicate no injury, leading doctors to a decision to return the athlete to the field. Instead of comparing results against the population norm, the most effective way is to determine if the new blood biomarker level increased relative to the player's own baseline value taken on the morning of the game. Concussions have caused many NFL players, including Frank Gifford, to suffer from chronic traumatic encephalopathy or CTE. In a 2023 study conducted by Boston University, 245 of 376 deceased NFL players had evidence of CTE. The NFL has taken steps to reduce the incidence of concussions. They implemented safer helmets and they instituted new rules that protect players. What if a blood test had been available during the 2020 playoff game and Wentz's concussion was ruled out just after halftime? How could the 2020 NFL season have been altered if he had been able to return to the game in the fourth quarter? Down 17-9, Wentz leads the team to a touchdown. With a 2-point conversion, the game enters overtime. The Eagles win the coin toss and score to win. They continue to go win the next 2 playoff games but lose to the Chiefs in the Super Bowl. The clinical lab medicine community is not far away from on-field TBI testing. Stay tuned for more lab tales.